All right, so the first one is from Michael. He says, "Does anyone have a consistent way to remove negative reviews from a GBP? I've seen some GBPs manage to get their reviews taken down by Google pretty consistently, but never managed to do it myself. I know you can report it to Google, feels very much like a black hole, but wondering if you flag with multiple accounts if that helps, or if there's any other methodology I'm missing." You know, I've been successful myself without doing anything elaborate at getting reviews taken down. For clients or even for my own stuff. Like, for example, somebody published a shitty review on one of my agency GBPs that wasn't a client. There's no record of them ever purchasing anything. So it's probably just somebody that didn't like one of my YouTube videos or whatever. In any case, all I did was I just reported it to Google. I just, flagged as inappropriate. And I can't remember what the exact process was, but and within 24 hours it was gone. It was down. Like that, it was so, and I've done that with a few clients as well. And I just had one of my a roofing client of mine. It's been a legacy client of mine since I first got started as an agency. He's been with me ever since. He contacted me a couple days. Well, it was about 2 weeks ago now, really, to say that he had um, he started getting he's real review sensitive. This guy always has been, and he had like two negative reviews posted from non-clients, non-customers, right? So it was pure. Clearly, excuse me, it was clearly a competitor that had, was either publishing fake reviews, negative reviews, or they hired somebody to do it. Well, interestingly enough, like I walked him through like what I told, because the same thing, he was asking a similar question. I told him, well, look, this is what I've done in the past, and I've been able to get them taken down. And there is the ability to contact Google directly. And look, if you can state the case that there's no history of that customer and things like that. If there's any way that you can prove it, then they'll take it down. I know because they've done it, right? And so for my roofing client, he was able to. I sent him a link. Let me show you the link. I'll give it to you in chat, right? Or I'll pull it up. Give me 1 second. Let's see. Google, is it Maps? Let's see, get support for your Google business profile. I'm just looking for that really quickly, guys. There's a specific URL that I use that will get you to the point where you can publish or ask Google for help, and you can actually send in a phone call. So like you can request a callback, and I'll find the link and I'll post it in the replay, guys. I'll make sure that it's added to the replay because I have to find it right now. But anyway, what happens is it's a Google help file or whatever, but it gives you the prompts where it says, hey, if you need to contact Google support, there's a few ways: chat, voice call, email. I think those are the three. And if you request a callback, so voice call, they'll call you within a matter of like minutes. Like, no kidding. You just click, yeah, request a callback, blah, blah, blah. And I guess you enter your phone number or whatever. And usually within like 3 to 5 minutes, you get a call back from Google. And so I've used that a number of times to have things resolved when there were issues with the GBP. I've had duplicate GBPs merged so that when there was a duplicate GBP that might have had a rogue review or two on it that the client wants to keep, but we wanted to eliminate the duplicate GBP, I'd contact Google support and I would say, look, here's the original that we want to keep, and here's the duplicate that who knows how that got created, but we want to merge the two. I've had that done. I've had verifications done or address changes done via this support option. That was a few years ago because now everything's done through video verification. But I'm just giving you guys some heads up that there is a way to contact Google, and sometimes they're helpful if you have data to back it up. So when I find the link, I'll post it in so that it'll be available for the replay. But have I ever used any services for that? No. I think there are services out there that will do like negative review removals or that kind of stuff. I don't know how they work, to be honest with you, but you could look into it. As far as, like I said, in my own experience, I've done it a number of times on my own using the Google support option, and just telling them that sometimes just flagging the review, flagging it for multiple accounts too would probably work good, especially if they're local guide accounts, Google local guide accounts. Okay.